Edexcel A-Level Maths, Pure Paper 1, October 2020, Question 5. The car has 6 forward gears. The fastest speed of the car in first gear is 28 km per hour and in sixth gear is 115 km per hour. Given that the fastest speed of the car in successive gears is modelled by an arithmetic sequence, we need to find the fastest speed of the car in third gear. So we've got the first term, A1, is equal to 28, and our sixth term, A6, is 115. Now between these there are 5 jumps, 5 differences. So we can say that 115 equals 28 plus 5d, where d is the difference between each term in the sequence. Taking 28 away from both sides gives us that 87 equals 5d. Dividing by 5 gives us that d equals 17.4. We want the third gear, so this is our first gear plus 2 jumps. So 28 plus 2 times 17.4 gives us 62.8 kilometers per hour. Given that the fastest speed of the car in successive gears is modelled by a geometric sequence, for part B we need to find the fastest speed of the car in fifth gear. So if it's a geometric sequence, it means each term is multiplied by a common ratio to get to the next term. So our sixth gear, 115, must be equal to 28 times by this common ratio 5 times, so r to the power of 5. Dividing both sides by 28 gives us that r to the power of 5 is 4.1071. So fifth root of this means that r equals 1.3265. We need the fastest speed of the car in fifth gear, so this is our first gear, multiplied up 4 times. So A5 equals 28 times by 1.3265 to the power of 4, which equals 86.7 kilometers per hour. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to the Doing Maths channel to keep up to date with all the latest releases.